In this video here, I'm going to quickly show you how to go about creating a product. We're finishing a product on Shopify. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to Trello first, and you're going to, let me do this one first. So you'll go here and you will see these different columns like you're used to. The one that you're going to be working with this is the one that's called products created right here. So this just means that there's images that have been created and that the product's been created in the back end. So now the proper images need to be created. So you can go here and you can see that, I just typed in this alumna crewneck sweatshirt, or you could do like alumna crewneck t-shirt or alumna crewneck hoodie. You want to make sure that the product vendor is SPOD, because if you do Fuel or Kite and Crest, the wrong ones are going to show up. And that's really all you need to do. Or you could do tagged with, and you could do 40. No, sorry, it'd be artwork 40. So that would work too. So, all these come up as well because it's artwork 40. But I typically just search by this. But then if, something doesn't show up properly or something, then I will, or if we're missing one, then I will also search by, I will, delete this I will delete this and search by this. So again, you go to Adobe Cloud, kind of same way. this is like the ZZ file where you're used to uploading the product images. So then you would just go, you can do whatever you want by name, by modified. I'm just going to show one example. So I'm just going to download FiMu. Let's see. Yep, here we go. FiMu and FiMu. So again, we would like to, so the names are fine how you have it. And then, so normally I just go through though, and I would download all of these at once, just so you have them all downloaded to your computer. And then from there, what you do is then you go, again, like I would just type in alumna crewneck sweatshirt, because, I know that it is alumna, and I know it's a crewneck sweatshirt. You can go here and you can see that, it's on a black Bella canvas tee. It's on a black head. It's a navy gildan crewneck, right? So what I would do is I would just, type that in, do SPOD, and then again, these should all be here. So you could just quickly count, make sure that there's 26 for sororities or 31 for fraternities. I'm doing FiMu because I know that there's an issue, so that's why. But you could just open up, multiple new tabs, just to make it go faster. And so again, this is that's it. That don't want to say it's an easier or quicker task than creating images, but here you can see that there's an issue. This is Alpha Chi Omega, but it's FiMu for the image. Okay, so this here is fine, right? This here is okay. So you won't change this you won't change this. But let's say that it just said like crewneck sweatshirt or, something, and like it wasn't like, a full title, then I would just, mark this yellow like you would for normal note, and then just, say that happens every now and again, but not usually. So But so basically, what's causing this 99.9% of the time is that you have to come down here to the right with the tags. It's the wrong tag. Okay. So if this tag is correct, so if this said FIMU, tonight it'll fix it, and everywhere that it says Alpha Chi Omega, it will then say FIMU. So all what you would do is you would do X out, and then you would type in FIMU and make sure that it adds. So adds, and then perfect. So then yeah, so that would fix tonight. So then what you would do here is, so you would add, so you always add the white background now first, but so you delete first, and then you would add, and let's see, what's it titled? I think it's titled FIMUs. Yeah, so you do the white background, so you have the decorative background, the white background. You do the white background first, then you do add media, and you would do the decorative background, and then there's two more things that you're going to add. So I always keep these just on my desktop. So you're going to be adding, so these you can download on Shopify or on Adobe Cloud. It's in a Kite and Crest folder. So you'll put this on it. You'll put this on every product, and then there's several different size charts. This one here is crew neck and hoodie size chart, and this one here is just your t-shirt size chart. So what you'll do then is you will add image, and this is my crew neck and hoodie size chart, so I will add that, and then I will add the Greek license product. So that's really all there is to it. Just make sure that these images are added properly, and make sure that this right here, that FIMU, matches or make sure that there's a tag that's FIMU. If I spelled FIMU wrong, then it would be wrong too. If I spelled FIMU wrong, this would probably say Alpha Chi Omega still. So yeah, so that's the thing. Just make sure FIMU is correct. And then the last thing is just to make sure that the tag is correct. So crew neck. So I'll send you the tags, but it's crew neck or t-shirt for t-shirts, or sweatshirt hoodie for sweatshirt hoodies. So that's really all there is to this. Any other questions, just ask me. But once you finish this task, and you would just drag it to images added, and then that signified to me that it's good to go. But yeah, besides that, then you would just save. And that's that's all that there is to it. And again, like, let's say that you can't find the proper product. You just kind of mess around until you find it, because if the alumni crew neck sweatshirt's not showing up, that means that the name's not right. So let's say that the name wasn't right, but you could find it with tagged with artwork 40, right? Like, let's say that this just said like crew neck sweatshirt, right? Then what you would do is you would just copy this first line right here, because this first line will match this line. So you'll just copy this line, right? So let's say that this just said sweatshirt. You would just copy this line right here and paste, and then you would just save like normal, but it's the exact same, so it won't let me save right here. But yeah, so just make sure that you have 26, and then you can just, as you're uploading them, you can just you just have a folder for artwork 40 or whatnot. If you have them all in here, as you upload them, you can just you can just delete them each time, just so you make sure that you get all 26 products completed with the proper artwork, and then just, double checking to make sure that basically the most important thing is that FIMU is correct, or and if you notice that the artwork's wrong, you just name it as, let's say I said artwork 39 and you knew the rest were artwork 40, you could just name artwork 40, but this would be a very rare mistake that you only find if you're searching by artwork number. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.